Uh-huh.
George Patterson, and he was the one who founded the initial group with Zanoni.
Zanoni?
Zanoni, who was a sort of a rogue high priestess.
Okay.
Don't let her hear that. But she
Okay.
is kind of.
He still has.
And did they mix various traditions to come up with this, or?
They didn't mix them so much as they got a lot of information from different traditions. They got information from Ed Fitch.
Okay.
You look up, if you're ever looking at names or anything, Ed Fitch is a name to check on, and also the Sylvestrans, which is just like it sounds. Again, named after Sylvester, somebody.
Okay.
Out of England, and the New England Church of Wicca,
Okay.
NEWTC or something like that.
Okay.
And he was working on it at the same time as everybody else was doing the research. Everybody was researching and trying to learn.